suspending the meetings is unfortunate. But the steering committee of the political parties platform is going to try to see whether we can restart sustained dialogue. But I want to say, neither ZEC nor the government nor anyone can suspend constitutional rights of Zimbabwean people. Zimbabwean people are allowed to demonstrate if they so wish, and one cannot make the demonstrations conditional.
And what were your concerns
today? There were a few things. Number one, it is the militarization of ZEC. As you know, the ZEC Secretariat has a number of officers who are either with the military background, CIO background, and so on. And we agreed with ZEC that we were going to talk about it. We were also going to talk about political parties funding. One of our leaders was going to do that. We were also going to talk of the code of conduct of political parties, as well as, and this is important, as well as the developments around the procurement of the BVR kits. We were reading this from the newspaper, but we had not received an official word from ZEC itself, and we wanted a feedback on that. And for that, for her to just abort this meeting, it was clearly uncalled for.
You spoke about the funding of the political parties. What exactly is your concern regarding that? And secondly, the BVRs, what is your concern?
Well, let me start with the BVR. The BVR, the agreement of the political parties with ZEC and everyone involved was that the BVR procurement process was going to be done by the UNDP. And we actually witnessed part of that procurement process. We were then advised that it has changed. The government wanted to take over the procurement itself. Now, our view is that if the government takes over procurement from ZEC, it is compromising the independence of the Zimbabwe Election Commission. And remember, this is a one-party government, and we want to have a say in that. Then on the question of political parties funding, as you know, there are three political parties in Parliament: the MDC, the MDCT, and the ZANU-PF. And in terms of the political parties finances, these parties receive grants from the government. And right now, actually, the MDC is not receiving the MDC for Professor Ncube. And the rest of the political parties are not in government and are not recipients of political parties fund, and they want to have access to resources in order to carry out their legitimate activities. We understand them and we sympathize with them, and this funding could come from the government itself, it can come from other stakeholders and so on, but it has to be agreed what this funding is for. After all, we agreed with ZEC that every political party is going to do voter education. They need to be able to move from point A to point B in order to do that process.
Thank you.